Hey everyone, welcome to today's how-to video where we're going to show you how to change the windshield wipers and the rear wiper on a 2022 Hyundai Tucson Limited. Now, the manufacturers recommend that you change them every 6 to 12 months. We're not going to tell you that we did that. We're just going to tell you how we do change them when we do change them. But starting out, the driver's side is 26-inch wiper. Passenger side is a 16-inch wiper. The rear wiper is an 11-inch wiper. Instead of having to go out and buy 3 different sizes, trying to make sure that they're all there, we made it easy for you. There is a kit. All 3 are included in here. We will have a link in the description box down below. And before we move on, we just want to mention, if you haven't used a knee cloth, these things are fantastic. All it takes is 2 cloths. You wet one and wipe with the other.
Just add water.
Yeah, there's no Windex or anything. They do not sponsor us. We just really like these. We use them inside and outside on the cars. So
thanks, Mom.
yeah, that's right. My mother introduced us to them. This is everything that comes in the box. The 3 blades with instructions on how to put them on. Now, you'll notice that they come with a cover to them to protect the blade itself. Make sure you take it off before you start using them. It just slides right off, so it's easy enough. Now, if you forget to take them off, leave a comment down below. Let us know what happens. I'm just curious. They all pull right off. Now, Hyundai has a feature that's called the hidden wiper features. I mean, you can see that they're here, but if you try to lift them, they're going to hit the hood. So what they've done is they've made it so that you can move them to get them into what they call a service mode. Now, to put the wipers into service mode, you need to put the car into accessory mode. If you have a push button like we do here, you just push it twice. And if you have a key, I believe you turn it to first click, check your service manual to find out for sure. Then once you're there, you're going to shut it off, take the wiper stock, push it up, hold it for up to 10 seconds, boom, service mode. And the same happens with the rear. Now that they're in service mode, you can see that they come up quite easily. Now, if you're going to be doing this, I strongly suggest that you get a blanket, cardboard, or something to put down here, just in case this popped right back down and this piece of metal hits your windshield. You do not want to chip it or get a crack in it.
No need for a new windshield.
No. Now, as far as taking the windshield wipers off, right here is a clip. You can use a screwdriver, or you can just use a fingernail, thumbnail, whatever, and that pops right up. Okay, then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull this down right here, and it comes right off. Now, this is a hook. Come around and take a look at the hook.
There it is.
And the hook will wrap around right there. That's rounded too.
Point to that again.
Right there. So the hook would go in here, and then you'd lock it back on.
Okay.
Okay, now these are the 2 wiper blades. This is the one we took off. This is the one that we're putting on. And as you can see, it's the same thing. The hook's going to wrap around that nice and easily. And if you need to take it off, it will be different. There's a lock on this right here. You pull it back up and then just pull it off just like we did the other one. But once they're on, you shouldn't need to take them off again until, 6 to 12 months if that's what you do. All right, so as far as putting them on, like I said, I'm going to get the rounded part up here where it's going to slip into the hook. Just put it on. Listen, that's locked in. That's going nowhere.
Yay!
That one's done.
2 more to go.
Now, to get the passenger side when it's up like that, I mean, that's kind of a reach. But
So if you're a short person, you might need a stool or a ladder.
there you go. But I'm going to lift it up, pop it up, pull it down, pull it out, and rest it for there. Now, if I knew what I did with the second one, there it is. So again, it's just going to go in the exact same way as the first one did. Put it onto it. Oops. Listen, locked in.
Yay!
That is it. The fronts are done. Now the rear is also different, so let's go check that one out.
Our supervisor.
This one is a true hidden wiper. When it's not in service mode, it tucks up under here. You can't even see it. So, but the way that comes off, you want to pull it up. That's easy enough. And then I take my fingers back here and just kind of slide them up easily until it pops down like that. And then pull it right off.
Yeah, it's just a little popping mechanism.
Yeah, that little circular hole in there, that pin fits into it. And the new one has the pin also. So putting it back on is as simple as lining it up, getting it on there, putting it back, boom. How easy was that?
Super easy.
All right, now we're gonna go back in and put them Well, out of service mode. I guess to take them out of service mode is what I'm trying to say. It's cold out here, people. To get it out of service mode, go back to accessory. And just take the wiper stock, push it up. And there you go. It's all done. That's how you change the windshield wipers on a 22 Hyundai Tucson Limited. Now we'll have a link in the description box down below to the windshield wipers and to that e-cloth. We'll also have a link down there to our Amazon store, which is full of stuff that we like and use. So
Come on by.
Yeah, we'd appreciate if you stopped on by. And other than that, if you like what you saw, we'd also appreciate that thumbs up as always. Want to follow along with everything we do here on the We Have Mud Fun channel? Just right down there in the corner, click it, and when you're done, ring the bell, and you'll be notified every time we put out a new video.
If you have any questions or comments, you can put them right down below, or you could just say hi.
Because we'll say hi back, we always do. Until our next how-to video, I'm Chuck.
And I'm Cheryl.
Bye.
The end. Hey there, pup. You got a snow nose.